Hello everyone. So we're discussing the solutions of ESE Mains 2021. Before starting the discussion, there are basic announcements. On 12 months of subscription, additional 3 months is being provided. Those who are preparing for GATE and ESE 2023, for them a bilingual batch is being launched on 24th of November. The topic which is starting is strength of material. Now the problem is of per CPM. The first part of the problem is differentiate between optimistic time estimate and pessimistic time estimate in a PERT network. Second, a construction company has an opportunity to submit a bid for construction of a residential building and a commercial building. The three-time estimates for completion of each building are as follows. Okay, optimistic, pessimistic, most likely time. Determine the expected time for completion of each building. Also analyze which building has more reliable time estimate. Okay, so first part is theoretical only. So, differential between optimistic time and pessimistic time can be referred directly. Optimistic time is the shortest possible time in which an activity can be completed under ideal condition, whereas pessimistic time is the maximum possible time that will be required to complete an activity. Then, optimistic time is denoted by T naught, pessimistic time is denoted by TP. Then, optimistic time estimate represents the time that would be required to complete an activity if everything went perfectly without any problem or adverse condition developed during the execution of the activity. Then pessimistic time represents the time required for completion of an activity if everything went wrong or abnormal situation prevailed. In optimistic time estimate, no provisions are made for delayed, setbacks, and better than normal conditions are assumed. But in pessimistic time estimate, it does not include the possible effect of the major catastrophe such as flood, fire, earthquake, etc. So this was the first part of the problem. For second part of the problem, I have to do the calculation. So first we have to calculate the expected time. Expected time can be computed directly. Expected time for residential building, commercial building. So expected time for residential building. So TO plus 4 times of most likely time plus TP divided by 6. So if I put the values 3, 4, 6. So 3, 4, 6. So 3, 4 and 6. So 3, 4, 6. So it comes out to be 4.17 months. Now, expected time for commercial building, optimistic plus 4 times of most likely time plus pessimistic time divided by 6. Values 468. So values are 468. So 4, 6, 8. The result comes out to be 6 months. Now, in order to find which of the time estimates are more reliable, we have to calculate the standard deviation. So, standard deviation for residential building. This is equal to TP minus TO by 6 ka whole square. TP is 6 minus 3 by 6 ka whole square. So, 0.25. And standard deviation for commercial building, or you can say variance for the commercial building. So, TP minus TO by 6. So variance for the commercial building, TP minus TO by 6 whole square. So TP minus TO by 6 whole square. So this will be equal to 8 minus 4 by 6 ka whole square. So 4 by 6 means 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So this is 0.44. So variance we have computed. So the time estimate for which the variance is more will be having less reliability. So for commercial building, reliability is less. So since variance of commercial building is more than residential building, we can say time estimate, time estimates for residential building, residential building are more reliable, are more reliable. So you can calculate standard deviation also. You can take the square root of this. This will be standard deviation. So either you can find variance or you can find standard deviation. It is one and the same thing. So thank you everyone.